Ayan, so nagmi-mix tayo ng pintura sa Rinaldo's at ayan ang ating pagmi-mix. At si Ate Ami, yung ating taga-mix na maganda. Ayan, itsura niya, ang ganda-ganda, galing-galing mag-mix. Ayan, so we do our own paint, we mix our own paint. Ayan, at ito yung ating magaling na taga-mix ng paint. O, see? Ganyan-ganyan pa, oh. Ayan, so ito yung ating mixing machine. And in our office, and yan ang ating taga-mix, si Ate Ami. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Ansel paint po ang gamit natin. At yan po ay proven na, tested na, quality, at long lasting. Yan po si Rinaldo's. And thank you. Yan po ang ating taga-mix ng paint. Maraming salamat.
Red wine, low light, no